Hello students, you are welcome in 3-dimensional geometry part 3. This is chapter 12 of NCERT and we were doing exercise 12.3 based on section formula. We are doing question number 5 today. Find coordinates of points of trisection of the line joining PQ. P and the coordinates are given. Points of trisection. It means there will be 2 points. Let the points of trisections are R and S. So this will be the position of R and S. This is line joining PQ. R and S are dividing this line PQ into 3 equal parts. It means PR is equal to RS is equal to SQ. So therefore R will divide PQ in ratio 1:2 and S will divide PQ in ratio 2:1 internally. So use section formula to find out R and S point. Using this, so 1:2, apply the section formula to this. So it will be R coordinate 10 plus 8 upon 3 minus 16 plus 4 upon 3, 6 minus 12 upon 3. Similarly, S coordinate can be evaluated. So these are the points of trisection. So you have to write answer in the simplified form. So I have not simplified, you have to simplify this. So it was 5th question. Now we want to start the miscellaneous exercise today. First question of miscellaneous exercise. We are given 3 vertices of a parallelogram ABCD and find out 4th vertex. 3 vertices are ABC, the coordinates are given. Find coordinates of 4th vertex, let it is D. So let D point is XYZ. We will find values of XYZ. Use the properties of parallelogram. If ABCD is a parallelogram, then we will use the property the diagonals will bisect each other. It means in this diagonal will be AC and BD. So midpoint of AC will be equal to midpoint of BD. So it means AC and BD are bisecting each other. So find out midpoint of AC using formula, find out midpoint of BD using formula and put them equal. After comparing, because these 2 points are same point, so X coordinate will be equal to X coordinate, Y coordinate will be equal to Y and Z will be equal to Z coordinate. So you solve and find values of X, Y, Z. So X is 1, Y is -2 and Z is 8. So therefore D point will be 1, -2 and 8. I hope it is clear to all of you. Question number 3 of miscellaneous. If origin is centroid of triangle PQR, where PQR the coordinates are given to us, find values of ABC. So origin is centroid. So centroid is given 0, 0, 0. The coordinates of origin are 0, 0, 0. We know that centroid of a triangle, the formula you can write down x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3, z1 plus z2 plus z3 upon 3. So these are coordinates of centroid. When vertices are x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2 and x3 y3 z3. So we will apply this formula. Origin is centroid of PQR. Origin is, we know, 0, 0, 0. Using this formula, find out centroid. These are coordinates of PQR. So x1 is 2a plus x2 is -4 plus x3 it is 8. 2a minus 4 plus 8 upon 3. Similarly, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Apply this formula and similarly z coordinate. Now compare both sides. X coordinate will be equal to x. Find out A, similarly B and C. So value of A will be -2, B will be -16 upon 3 and C will be 2. So these are values of ABC. On to next question 4. Find coordinates of a point on y-axis which are at distance of 5√2 from P point. So coordinates on y-axis will be of type 0, A0. So let A point on y-axis is 0, A0. Now distance AP is given 5√2. find out distance AP using formula. P point is given to us 3 minus 2 5. So this is distance AP is equal to 5 root 2, squaring both sides and find value of A. So you'll get two values of A is equal to 2 and A is equal to minus 6. Both value will give the correct answers. So points, the first point 0 to 0, second point 0 minus 6 0. So I hope it is clear. Then move on to question number 6. The statement is A and B be the points 3, 4, 5, the coordinates are given. Find equation of the set of points P such that PA square plus PB square is equal to K square. So we want to find equation of set of point P. We will assume point P, let P point is XYZ. Using this condition, we will find relation in XYZ, so that will be the required equation. So find out distance PA, distance PB, apply this formula, PA square plus PB square is equal to K square, the condition is given, put values here and simplify. After simplification, expand the squares, you will have this equation 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 4x minus 14y plus 4z plus 109 minus k square is equal to 0. This is required equation. So you try to expand the squares and try to reach to this answer. So you have to solve this. Go on to question number 8. Using section formula, prove that these 3 points are collinear. We have done this type of question. Let the given points are ABC. Let C divides AB in ratio k is to 1. Using section formula, find coordinates of C point. This is, we have applied the section formula here. But C point is given to us. It means x coordinate will be equal to x coordinate. So you'll get one equation from here. Y coordinate is equal to y coordinate, second equation. Similarly, third equation. Find values of k from all the 3 equations. And because we are getting same value of k, so therefore the points are collinear. So that's all in this 3-dimensional geometry. You try to solve the questions including examples. So that's all for today. Thank you.